working on the video. I'm gonna make some cupcakes. These are gonna be coffee and donut cupcakes. So I'm gonna make the frosting and the decorations, and you'll just follow along with me. This is not a tutorial by any means. I'm just sort of making it up as I go along, and if this even makes it to the internet, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Yeah, a bowl. Yes. Okay. I'm making a whipped cream frosting today instead of a buttercream, so I'm going to use heavy whipping cream, and I got this recipe online. And I'm also using pudding, and of course, powdered sugar. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I've never made this frosting before, but I'm sure it'll turn out fine, you know? Together we will find out. That's cute. This is a 1 pint. Maybe I'll link the recipe below. Am I getting fancy in here? Maybe. We'll see. Okay. It said to beat this till there was slight peaks, and then add the powdered sugar, only a third cup, and then just before it gets to stiff peaks, then you add the pudding. Cool. I look stupid. This is a bad idea. I'll do it right here. I'll lean in on something, and then it'll work. If you're not making a mess, you're not baking. A third cup. Whee! Fun. Now I'm gonna mix again. It's starting to get a little thicker and stiffer, so I'm gonna add the pudding mix now. I'm supposed to add the whole box. Oh, also this is white chocolate flavored, so that because if you get the vanilla, then like it makes it kind of yellowy, and I think it'll be for our coffee and donuts cupcakes, like crisp white is a good option. So I don't think I'm gonna color it. I think we'll see what happens. The reason I'm making this kind of frosting is a lot of people are just not big fans of buttercream, and the people that I'm going to be giving it to, which is just anyone, anyone that will eat them, please just eat them. I think that they might like the whipped cream frosting better as an alternative, less heavy, less buttery, literally no butter. Pretty. It's kind of like holding its shape in here, which is really essential, because you don't want to just like, you don't want it just to be like spread on top. You want it to look really pretty, so we're gonna pipe it on with a piping tip, or I'm gonna pipe it on with a piping tip. You're gonna watch me do that. And let's see how this tastes. It's good. It's kind of got like, it's a little like grainy or something. I'm afraid if I keep mixing it, it will over whip. Because it's whipping cream, you have to be really careful not to break it, or it'll get like all chunky and gross. And nobody wants to eat chunky and gross cupcakes. So I think I'll leave it here. And wow, look at it, so bouncy. ASMR, maybe. So for the very exciting part, which would be making the donuts for the donut part of the cupcakes, I'm gonna make the donuts out of, like, essentially make cake pops, like a mixture of cake and frosting. It gets kind of moist. I'm gonna mold it into the shape of little donuts, put them on this tray, put them in the fridge for like whatever time, drizzle some chocolate on it. Boom, we got donuts. So let's see how this goes, right? We're in this together. I don't have any bowls, so I'm just doing it in this. I'm just doing it in this Pyrex little, you know. And then you want to get the thing crumbly, super crumbly. And I think, honestly, I think that 2 cupcakes was enough. So if you make 24 cupcakes, you know, you'll have 22 for everyone or whatever. I'm not even making that many because the more I make, the more I have to decorate and the more work for me. And it's just for fun. So why, if I'm doing something for fun, make it harder than it needs to be? I just don't. So, so I'm just gonna make it easy for me.
In the event that you don't already know how to make cake pops, I'm going to show you how I do it to make these donut ones. Adding about 2 tablespoons of frosting. Check to make sure we wash our hands because we don't want to be spreading no germ. Mix it up. Then I'm showing you here the kind of Play-Doh-like consistency it needs to be before it's ready to be molded. So when it's ready to be molded, we're going to roll it into a ball. We're going to start flattening it out. And to get that rounded donut edge shape, you're just going to squeeze the sides. And then when you're ready, grab your handy dandy stainless steel straw, poke a hole in the center, and there you have it. A little mini donut.
Now I'm going to tackle the travel coffee cups that are going to go next to the donuts. And I'm going to make them out of marshmallows. The idea is that I could get them to be glued to each other and then wrap it in something. I haven't really decided yet. We will find out. We'll zoom in. We'll do it together.
So I decided to use gum paste. Probably mostly because that's all I had. Gum paste comes in this really rock hard form, so you have to knead it a bunch to get to the right consistency, and you have to color it if you don't want to buy it already colored. I'm using brown because I want to get it to the perfect coffee sleeve, quote unquote, color. And then, of course, you're going to get food coloring on your hands, which is always fun. So, in the meantime, melt down some candy melts because you're going to need it as glue later. Then, when you're ready, weird thing where you chop off part of the marshmallow so it gets to be the right height that looks sort of more like a travel coffee mug, at least in my opinion. You can skip that step. Not that anyone's going to even do this. But use your glue, which is just white candy melts, to adhere the marshmallows together. And it's okay if it gets a little messy, but I cleaned it up a bit. But you're going to cover it up with the coffee sleeve anyways. So just set it aside and then, roll out the gum paste, cut it into the right shape and length. And then I used the serrated edge knife to make it look like there was perforations on the sides, which just to me added a more realistic touch. So I did that for all of the coffee sleeves, which was very tedious. Okay, so make sure when you add your glue, candy melts, it's nice and hot so it doesn't harden too quickly so that it can actually glue and stick to the marshmallow. So just roll it up and then get it to stick. And there you have it, a perfect little travel mold. Now this is probably the easiest part of this journey that we're on. You just take the melted down candy melts. I have pink and white here. And I just drizzled it on top of the donuts that we made earlier. And then I put some sprinkles on it. Pretty simple. I might even say a piece of cake.
I'm going to, I don't have any piping bags, so I'm going to put the frosting that we made earlier, which could have been a couple minutes ago for you, or maybe not even, but it's been a long day for me. somebody bags, so I just got a Ziploc baggie. Put the tip, the end. Take one. I have made a contraption of sorts. See how this goes? What did I tell you? You know, it's unpredictable, really. It's a bag inside of a bag. We'll see if it breaks. Round 2, take 2. Oh, beautiful. Ah! Wow. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then we just put a little donut on it. And a little coffee cup. Not to scale as much as I thought it was going to be. I'll just throw some more sprinkles on there. They're so cute. I'm so pleased that I accomplished this. I really thought when we were in this together that I was gonna be doing most of the work and then it was just not gonna work out, you know, like, but you really helped me along. I think knowing that you were watching helped me accomplish these. So I'm going to put them in this dish here for my roommates because this was just for fun. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of my baking videos, I haven't made any yet. I plan on making more cupcake videos in the future, so if you like this one, expect more. So subscribe, so you know. Oh, yeah, hit the bell, the little notification thing, because that way you know when I upload another video. Thank you for watching. Bye. A little behind the scenes moment here. Reporting a mess. Love cleaning up messes. I also ran out of decorations but had more cupcakes. I should actually try this right now because why didn't I do that a second ago? Maybe you were wondering. Let's see how good it tastes. Yeah. I did good. Thanks for watching. Bye.